For those of us who have a weight distribution issue with the removable bars, always got the issue where as soon as you take this off, where you're going to store this nice greasy rod. You're going to put it in the back of your truck, get grease all in the back of your bed, put it in the back of your rig, probably going to get grease there too. We've got a product to help fix that problem. Now that we have our rods off, what we can do is we can take our cover. It's got a small ridge right here on the outside of it for alignment. Slide it over and twist. Don't want to go anywhere. Good to go. Now that they're protected, you don't have to worry about the back of your rig getting greasy. You don't have to worry about the back of your bed getting greasy in your truck. And I guess provide some protection for the rod itself. The question will be, what will these covers actually fit? For my system, I'm actually using a Blue Ox BXW 1200. But really what is the primary restrictions are the diameter of the rod itself, and then also the distance between the groove and the flat on the rod. And the diameter of the rod measures 1 3/8, and the flat in the groove is 1/2 inch. So as long as your rod has those dimensions, then cover will fit your system. Once you're done with your trip and you're ready to hook your rig back up, just take that ridge, put it on the outside of the bar, pull straight up. Go with the same one. You can throw these in a box somewhere, and you're up and running. I'll put a link below to the website for those that want to purchase this. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks.